How to use Ulta coupons and promo code. To use your Ulta coupons and promo code, you can add the item to your cart and enter the code in a designated box during a checkout procedure. What you need is here, you just open up the Ulta Beauty app onto your device. You then need to browse the item that you would like to purchase. So here, you want to make sure to add in the items to your cart, or you could just tap on Add for Ship. As soon as you do this, you are taken to the cart section. So here you could simply go ahead and tap on View Bag and proceed to checkout. When you tap on checkout, you will then be taken to a page where you have to enter in your shipping address and the billing address. Underneath your billing address, you'll also be able to find enter promo code or gift card option. You simply want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto that field, and that is basically how you're supposed to add in your Ulta coupons and promo code. So this way you're supposed to use the Ulta coupons and promo code. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.